Everything around you that takes up space is made up of incredibly small particles called atoms. Most people know that. It did not take scientists long enough to find out that even an atom can be divided into smaller entities. Today, the target is to learn about the inside of an atom. The nucleus contains positively charged protons and neutral neutrons. Protons and neutrons are also called nucleons for this reason. They are almost 2,000 times heavier than an electron, which means the nucleus contains almost all the mass of the atom. Even so, the nucleus takes up almost no space. Try to imagine how dense it is. The density is about 10 to the power 17 kg per meter cube. Nucleus to the atom is like a golf ball to a golf court. As a result, atoms are mostly empty. As it stands, we too are mostly empty, everything else is. Now, take a look at the electrons. They move around the nucleus following certain paths called electron orbitals or electron shells. There are multiple definite electron shells of varying distances from the nucleus. Electrons arrange themselves among these shells, following few rules. Let's skip it for now. Normally atoms are neutral as a whole. And the protons and electrons have equal but opposite charges. Which means there are the same numbers of protons and electrons in an atom. But in the case of ions, they vary. That's the gist of it. You will learn more as you go. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is called the atomic number. The atomic number indicates of which element the atom is. You can think of it as some sort of identification number assigned to different groups. For example, all the atoms of hydrogen in the universe have 1 proton each. The number of protons in the atoms decides the chemical properties of the element. If you are told that an atom has 26 protons, what element would it be? Of course, it is iron. Now you know. Also, if you look at the periodic table of elements, you will see that they are arranged according to their atomic numbers. There are more mysteries to the atomic number than meets the eye. It is not just a number, but is what differentiates an element from others. The total number of protons and neutrons is called the mass number. The mass number actually expresses the comparative mass of atoms. You might be thinking now, where did the electrons go? They are still there. But compared to protons and neutrons, their weight is completely negligible and not counted. Don't feel pity, unlike neutrons they have a complete effect on the charge of the atom. The mass number is denoted by the letter A. From the mass number and atomic number, we can easily know the number of neutrons. Number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number, or A minus Z. This mass number is used to differentiate atoms and for various calculations involved in a reaction. That's about the things you need to know about atomic structure. And with this, we have reached the end of today's video. Thanks for staying with us. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Till next time.